Today we are doing some manipulation in CorelDRAW. We are focusing more on the transformation feature in CorelDRAW. Later we also know how to fit text to part, how to put text in various forms, from circular text to stylish text. As usual, when doing a work like this, example or exercise work are best form of know some of those features. So today now we are focusing on the NLPC form of a logo. To do that, let's first bring a rectangular shape in this format. To make this rectangular shape rotate now, or move in rotation, or move in a circle now, we need the transformation feature in CorelDRAW to achieve such a feat. Depending on your version of CorelDRAW, the particular version is 2019, that will determine where the transformation feature will be located. In case your version of CorelDRAW is not 2019, all you need to do is to look for it by checking all the menus. Me now, I want to bring out the transformation pane into the left hand side. To do that, on 2019 version, click on window, then on the pop-up, enter Docker. Then in Docker, now click on locate transformation, or click on transformation. You will notice at the left hand side or right hand side, the Docker, the transformation Docker or pane is pop out. You will notice some small icon. The first one is the position icon, one the left is the rotation icon, and the other one is K and mirror icon. Now the one that we need this morning now is this rotation icon, this rotate icon. But before that, let's just look at the position icon. Click on the position icon and you can move this particular shape from left to right depending on the location you want it to go. Just knowing that where this our shape is moving to the moving up, if where our shape is moving up and down is indicated by the X and Y axis. On the setting, you can notice something like the X and Y axis. This X indicates the vertical part of it, the horizontal part of it, while the Y represents the vertical aspect of it. What this means is that maybe this our shape, we want it to duplicate to the left or to the right hand side. We indicate it through this X axis, which is the row part of it, left to the right hand side. Do not use minus to the left, one plus to the right hand side. On the other hand, if this our shape, we want it to be moving up and down, we use this Y column to do the setting, using minus for it to be going down and plus for it to be going up. You will understand until we start practically. This particular shape now, let it duplicate to the left hand side, and we will now make this our Y to remain 0.0. Then we will increase our X negatively. Then now click on apply, and remember, number of copy, just leave it to be 0. Then this we are doing it manually. Let's now click apply and notice what will happen. You can see that our shape is jumping small to the left hand side. For the situation that we want, where the shape was jumping, that we want it to be duplicating in jumping, so that it will help us in the arrangement form or something like that. Under this copy, you will put one. You will put one. Then you will not be clicking on the apply at the same time. Look at the arrangement. If the arrangement is too tight, meaning this 14 mm is too small. Whenever you are doing work, we will be giving specific measurement. Here we are just learning. That is why we are just putting even numbers. Now you now click apply. You can see that the arrangement is even and it is uniform throughout the configuration. It's because of the exact measurement. But the other hand, if you want it to move to the right hand side now, we will not order the setting now. We will make it to be positive instead of the negative. The positive figure will be moving to the right hand side. Now the particular one now, it will be moving to the right hand side. Let's check now. Apply. Notice that it's either go to right or left because we are putting the measurement under the X, not Y. On the other hand, if we want it to be going up and down, we will now make use of this. We will now make use of the Y axis by making the S 0.0 something, and the Y axis is putting the right figures. That is for that. Now our main work today now is the circle now. Click on the rotate something, or clicking on the rotate. We focus more on the arrow. Remember to make the relative setup, mark it, add number of copy 1, unless you know exact number of copy that you need. You want to do it manually, you don't know the exact number of copy, so then leave it at 1. Be informed that at 3 it will close, it will duplicate to a closed point. So depending on the setting of the X and Y axis, and generally setting on your computer, it will determine the arrow that will reduce or the gap that you want for your document. If you are doing a rework, specific measurement will be given to you. For now, we are just making an example. So we will just make sure that we subtract a certain number from 360. 360 will make it completely close. So from here now, we can type something like 340. I go 340, subtracting something about 20 from 360. So you now click you will now click on apply. By clicking on apply, you will be noticing something like this. So the left now we will now look for circular shape. So you will use the circular shape to drag on top of the arranged rectangular shape in this format. After centering the circle on it, you will now align everything. On that same place that we notice the simplify just now, you will locate the word. Once more, if in your computer this icon is not found, you can enter object shaping, then click on word. Click on word, then you will now notice a shape like this. You can now simply put color. So whenever you come across a shape in this form, this is how the shape was made. So let's now, if we want to make it look like a LLPC shape, by bringing, then look for another cycle. like both the text and the shape together. I'll be sure. I'll click on order the text menu. Click on paste text to part. You will notice that the text will bend to the shape. This is our head result. You use pen to draw the manually, or you can put that picture, that logo inside the at the center of the shape, or use the pen tool to draw them manually. So this is how the something was draw configure. You cannot see that for us to arrive at this, so many features were used from wedding to positioning some picture in the correct draw, where we rotate, arrange, move, duplicate, and finally from power clip to make sure that the shape is settled, and then using pen to draw the rest and the bending of the text. Thank you.